Okay, let's look at the homework 5.1, 5.2, number 14. Right? So we have a function x, which is a function of p, and the derivative is given. So dx over dp is given here. And then we know that when p is 9 and x is supposed to be 100. So this will give us a way to find the constancy. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first we want to find x, right? X is a function of p in this case, right? By taking the antiderivative of 16 over square root of p minus 9, right? With respect to p, right? All right, let's do a substitution. Let u be p minus 9, right? Then take the derivative u with respect to p, which is equal to, it's going to be just 1. So we can just multiply through by dp to get the du is actually exactly the same as dp, right? So let's rewrite that. So integral, right? So 16 is on top, so 16. All right, so we decided to call p minus 9 u. So that's going to be square root of u. All right, dp is the same thing as du. All right, so put du here. All right, so I don't like square root. First thing is 16 is just a constant. Put it outside of the integral. So you have an integral. All right, 1 over square root of u is a u to the, right? So u is on the bottom, so it's negative power. Square root, so it's 1/2 power, right? Du, right? Then we can just find the antiderivative. Add 1 to the power. Negative 1/2 plus 1 is positive 1/2, right? Divided by 1/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2, right? Plus some constant c, right? Then we can just clean up a little bit. So 2 times 16 is 32, right? U is original expression is quantity p minus 9, right? Raise it to the 1/2 power. I guess I'm gonna write the square root of p minus 9 because it's 1/2 power, and plus some constant c, right? So it says that when p equals 9, x is supposed to be 100. So let's plug it in. So plug in x and p equals 9. So plug in 9 for p. You get the 32 square root of, so p is 9. So it's going to be 9 minus 9 plus some constant c, right? But the 9 and 9 cancel out, so that's 0. So this guy is 0, which means that x of 9 is simply c, which is supposed to be 100. Right? So therefore, we have a complete formula for x. So x of p is equal to, right, 32 square root of p minus 9 plus c is 100. Right? So let's type it in. Right, x is 32 times square root of p minus 9 plus 100. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.